lecture to Peshawar.
बारिशें यूं अचानक हुई तो लगा तुम शहर में हो रात भर फिर वो जब ना रुकी तो लगा तुम शहर में हो
I'm going for the lecture to Elm Coaching Academy in the evening at 4 p.m. कोई भी पेशावर में है, you can come, and most of the people are coming in there. So anyone in here around, you can come in there for the lecture. This is Abdabad, by the way, the main road of Abdabad. That will be from 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. 4 बजे से लेकर 5 बजे तक. और पेशावर मेरे ख्याल में कायद-ए-आज़म कॉलेज है उसके अंदर. It's raining in here in Abdabad and I don't know about Peshawar. Beautiful Abdabad, by the way, and I'll be there in Peshawar in 2 hours and 30 minutes. I'll go to University of Peshawar first, and I'll be there up to 2:30, and after 2:30 I'll come out of there and then go to Elm Coaching Academy. You can see the beauty of Abdabad, by the way. See you there in Peshawar.